Dave Snyder here. It is the 19th day of October 2013. And I know this may sound silly. I know people think it's silly when I talk about this all the time, but it definitely has it's a confirmation, basically. See, I already learned that I already figured out the moon hit the Earth before I ever started watching these Sailor Moon musicals. Okay, I know Sailor Moon is it's childish, right? Right. Okay. Well, you watch the 10th anniversary musical, and you'll see that the moon. They talk about the moon hitting the Earth, basically destroying humanity, and it repeats itself over and over again. They say how many times will this be repeated crossing over millions of years during the Giza, all kinds of stuff. It's a serious mystery, they say. Okay. That's the 10th anniversary, and you got to pay attention to the character Kiratsuki. And that's the black moon, which has this pulse to mistrust the Earth and destroy humanity. Okay, they say in that one, they talk about the 30th century. It will happen again in the 30th century. They predict that. Now the Japanese know. I'm telling you, it's their subtle way of telling you the truth about the planet Earth. I'm not kidding. The first time I watched it, I had already known the moon hit the Earth. When I was reading the sub, because it's subtitled or it's subbed into English, and when I started reading the words, I just couldn't believe it. It all fit. It all confirmed what I already knew. Okay, and then the 20th anniversary musical just came out. It's on YouTube. You can watch it. It is kind of silly in the beginning. They don't get to the good stuff till after half hour or something like that. But they have the moon and the Earth battle it out. They have a battle. They both die and are reborn over and over again. They talk about how this happens over and over again. And I'm telling you, it's the absolute truth of what goes on. And you just got to be able to kind of read between the lines. You know what I mean? But it's not that difficult to see what they're trying to tell you. There's a message in there, and it's a good thing. It's fun to watch anyway. It's a good musical. They're good musicals. I like Sailor Moon now. I mean, I never watched it before. Believe me, I never watched it until I looked up Nibiru on Google Earth or Google. I googled the word Nibiru, and what came up was Wikipedia said there was a character in a Sailor Moon musical, AI No Sanctuary, named Dark Nibiru. So I watched it. That's the 10th anniversary one, and I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe I've watched it. I must have watched it 50 times. I mean, there's so much in there. If you looked upon the ground from from the wind's point of view, you would see, and that's what. And the sea is a blue burning mirror, and that's basically you need to reverse the lunar images to fit them over the Earth. So it's like a mirror. It is like a mirror. You reverse the lunar image and you put it over the Earth, and it fits. So I'm just saying, if you don't want to check it out, it's up to you. I'm just saying that it confirms what I've been trying to tell you and show you in all my videos. So it's fun to sit down and watch anyway. You'll like it. They're good musicals, especially the 10th anniversary. I think that's a really good one. So as silly as it may sound, I don't care. I think it's worth watching, and you'll see what I mean if you just follow it. You might have to watch it twice. Second one you won't have to. It's pretty clear. So anyways, have a good weekend. Until next time.